Hey all, good evening. So take a new sheet of paper and let us start with a big circle. Okay, draw a big circle and then let us fit two koi fish inside that circle. Okay. This is the circle and we are going to insert a fish inside it. So first, make a circle for the head and oval for the body of the fish. I'll start the body part. So then coming to the tail part. Side fins, it will have a side fins like pectoral fins. Those are called pectoral fins here. So erase this part, erase all the extra lines now. So we had drawn this oval part for the fins. You can erase that one. And the circle for the head, you can erase the extra circle. Make an eye on both the sides. So fish has two eyes on here and another one here. Draw a small elliptical shape. It means oval shape on this side. Before that, let us give some proper shape for the head part, the face part. It will be narrow. Like when you draw this kind of fish, it will be narrower towards this end, towards the face, right? Let us give some shape. So I'm going to make some curve line, bulge it towards inside and give a sharp ending on one side like this. Some little sharp ending and then again join it here. You can erase the extra lines. And then the small fins on the sideways. Or small fins like this, small extra lines, extra curve lines you do like this. Now let us move on to the another fish. Soak your paper completely with the water except the fish. Okay. Now start outlining the koi fish. So for that, mix black and brown. Okay, mix black and brown. Now, what you need to do is mix blue and little black and apply all across the fish. And that means some region has to be dark and some region has to be light. So I'm telling you, mix black and also little blue, add more water and start painting one end. Divide this fish into two parts and just darken the other half part of the fish. Just do like this. Just darken the half part of the fish, and then coming to other, again take a black and white, also brown, and add more, dilute it with the water and just indicate the half portion of the fish with the darker shade. Okay. Now the important thing, what is more important is for the koi fish is trying to make it look more brightful and colorful. That is the specialty of koi fish. So which is the bright color we have? That is red. So take a red color. Make sure your fish is dry and then take a point-sized brush and then start coloring from one end. I'll start from the head and randomly take a thick color, not very diluted color, but a thick color. Add little water to it, mix it well, and also you can add little orange to it, not a pure red, but also little orange. Mix those colors well